Okay guys, I just wanted to do this quick tutorial for Doom because I noticed this and I looked it up and I could not find a good tutorial on it. I actually had to look in comments. So basically, when I first started playing Doom, this is how it looked. It was basically completely dark and I couldn't see anything. And yeah, basically it's dark. So all you have to do is actually go here, go to settings, so main menu settings, then go to video, and it's not called brightness, it's actually called gamma for some reason. Kind of hate it. Then you can just turn it up. I actually turned mine up a bit too much. I think I'll probably put it at like right there. And then you just have to click yes, you want those, and go back, and booyah, it's actually bright and you can pretty much see everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this short tutorial. If you did, leave a like, subscribe. I actually am doing a Doom series as of this video, and I have a lot of other good videos if you want to go watch those. Also, yeah, if you want to see one of those, click there, somewhere on the screen right now, and subscribe in the middle. I hope you guys have a great day, and thanks for clicking on this tutorial.